Most roadmaps are lying to you. You spend weeks following a 40-hour course. You feel like you're winning. Then you open a blank code editor, and you have no idea where to start. That's tutorial hell. And the truth is, following a course step by step is actually the slowest way to learn. I've spent years in the industry and helped thousands of learners transition from tutorial watchers to actual problem solvers. I realized the best engineers didn't learn by mimicking. They learned by breaking things. Today, we're ditching the roadmaps. I'm giving you the anti-tutorial method. I'm going to show you how to build 3 specific, intentionally ugly projects. These aren't portfolio pieces. They are mental gym workouts designed to force you to think like a developer. By the end of this video, you'll have a concrete plan to stop consuming and start creating. Let's get into it. You've seen the roadmaps, the 10-hour mastery courses. You follow along. You type exactly what the instructor types. It feels great. You feel like you're making progress. You're checking boxes. But then you close the tab. You open a blank file. And suddenly you're paralyzed. You know the syntax. You know what a loop is. But you have no idea how to actually *start. This is tutorial hell. It's a dangerous loop. You finish a course, feel a rush of dopamine, and immediately buy another one because you still can't build something from scratch. You're not learning to code. You're learning to transcribe. There's a massive difference between * following *, a solution, and finding a solution. The industry doesn't pay you to follow instructions. They pay you to solve problems that don't have a YouTube tutorial. If you keep chasing the perfect roadmap, you'll spend 2 years in a loop of fake progress. While you're waiting for it to click, other people are getting hired because they're okay with breaking things. You don't need more information. You need more friction. Here is the hard truth. You don't need another 40-hour course. You don't need a complete masterclass on Udemy. You need to fail. Fast. Welcome to the anti-tutorial method. The goal isn't to follow a path. The goal is to get lost, get frustrated, and find your way out. To do this, we are building 3 ugly projects. I call them ugly because I want you to stop obsessing over CSS and UI. Forget the colors. Forget the padding. We are focusing on the only thing that matters, the logic. Project 1, the ugly utility. Build something that solves a boring, personal problem. A simple habit tracker. A budget calculator. A tool that tells you when to water your plants. Here is the rule: no follow-along videos. None. Use official documentation. Use Google. Use forums. If your app looks like a website from 1995, you're doing it right. You're learning how to translate a thought into a function. That is the core of software engineering. Project 2, the API mashup. Now, we connect your code to the real world. Build an app that pulls live data. A weather dashboard. A movie search engine. A crypto tracker. The goal isn't the app itself, it's the struggle. You will hit 404 errors. You will struggle with JSON parsing. You will forget to await a promise. This is where the actual learning happens. When the tutorial doesn't tell you why it's broken, and you have to figure it out yourself. Project 3, the logic clone. This is the boss fight. Pick a feature from an app you use every day. Not the whole app, just one complex feature. Like the drag and drop board in Trello, or the search filter on Amazon. Try to recreate that specific logic from scratch. This forces you to think about state management and data structures. Now, a warning about AI. If you ask an AI to write the code for a Trello clone, you've just entered tutorial hell 2.0. You're not learning, you're just copy-pasting with a different tool. Use AI as a mentor, not a ghostwriter. Don't ask it to fix my code. Ask it to explain why this logic is failing. One makes you a prompt engineer. The other makes you a software engineer. Build the ugly projects. Break things. Fix them. That is the only way out. So you want to break free from tutorial hell. Check out Udemy's programming courses or Codecademy Pro for hands-on practice. These resources helped me and many others. Now let's talk results. By building those 3 ugly projects, you'll be able to solve problems, debug code, and think like a dev. You'll be surprised at how fast you level up. So what's next? Click the link below to explore Udemy or Codecademy Pro. Start building and stop watching tutorials. Trust me, your future self will thank you.